What's up, guys? It's Kevin from K-Squared Fitness. Today I'm going to be breaking down the death march. All right, guys, so key points of performance. We're getting into an exercise that's going to strengthen your hamstrings. Hamstrings, not blow up your lower back. So you got to get this right. Whenever you take a step, you're going to take a step, have your heel almost in line with your back toe, unlock your knee, and then hips are going to go back. No rounding of the back. Keep this position tight. If you're having trouble getting there, take a step down and feel what it feels like to get your spine in a good position. Here, get some rotations there. This is really exaggerated. We want you to be somewhere close to this and not like that there. So as you take your step, another thing to think about is plant your foot fully into the floor and screw your foot in. Don't be soft and just take a step. Be intentional, screw it in. You're going to get a lot more hamstring engagement. So take your baby step, unlock your knee, push the hips back without rounding in the spine. If you're going here, this is no good. Stay super tight. Maybe you don't go all the way to the floor. Maybe you just go to below your knee, squeezing the glutes at the top. Reminder, every step, unlock, push the hips back, and plant your foot into the floor, squeezing up top. Unlock, hips back. That's how I do the death march. Get after it.